So the biggest key to this exercise is making sure we start it off correctly, and that requires that we keep the sternum up proud, or the chest up proud, and the whole entire back sternum parallel with the floor. So we have to reach through the elbows, push our body away from the floor, keep the back flat. What we want to see is a nice flush shoulder blade on the back. We do not want to see speed bumps or humps on the back. So a nice flat back throughout the whole entire exercise. So when we pan to a different view, as you see us rotating underneath of the arm, the biggest key here is maintaining that reach through the down arm for as long as possible. When we let the elbow bend, there's going to be a little bit more of a rotation through the mid back. So as you do this exercise, you're going to notice two things occurring. When we reach and we keep the elbow straight, we're going to get a little bit more of a stretch through the mid back around the scapula behind the shoulder blade. So if you're getting discomfort or pressure or tension around the scapula or around the shoulder blade, you really want to make sure you maintain that elbow straight as you can for as long as possible. And then once we've reached the point of not being able to go any further, keeping that elbow straight, then we'll allow the elbow to bend just a little bit so you can get a little bit more of a stretch through the arm that is doing the reaching and through your mid back. So make sure when you rotate, you're going to rotate as far as you can, keeping the down arm pressed through the floor and the elbow locked out. Rotate as far as you can first, then pause for a brief second, and then allow the elbows to bend slightly to take you a little bit further, but still maintaining that reach and the sternum pushed up and away from the floor. You will notice that the sternum and head rotate with the arm, so the sternum and your eyes and your head follow the arm that is reaching across the body. Repeat this exercise for a desired number of reps that we have programmed for you. And if at any point in time you feel a stretch that feels comfortable, it feels relaxing, you're welcome to pause in that position and breathe in that position, spending a little bit more time there to help ease and melt that tension away.